Now, some people can find value in trading the middle line of the Camarilla. So you can choose what you want to trade. You want to trade the middle line. Also, you can choose, okay, I only want to trade the middle line. Now, I don't advise somebody to trade all of them. Like, you can, the best risk to reward you can get is usually from the failed breakouts. Now, if you want to trade the normal Camarilla lines, the sell and buy, usually it's better to go like for 1 to 4, 1 to 5 maximum risk to reward, because 1 to 8 will be, you don't have enough distance for the market to cover it. And as for the middle line, you can trade 1 to 8, but it should be activated at the beginning of the session, like the European session. So this usually gives best results at the beginning if it's activated at the beginning of the European session. So it's better to put here parameters, not 8 to 18, 8 to 12, for example. So when the market at the beginning of the European session touches it, like let's find some examples here, okay? So here, as you can see, this is on GBP JPY like yesterday. Let me just be able to scroll back. So as you can see here, this is at the beginning of the session, okay? So this was the original trade. Now, this trade hit the stop loss at the beginning, but it gave you a second entry here, and this didn't hit the stop loss. So this one here, okay, gave you a 1 to 8 without hitting the stop loss. Okay, it came near, but it didn't hit the stop loss. So these are like, this is a 1 to 8 using the middle line. So you can use the middle line for 1 to 8 trades. And this happened around 12:55. So yeah, I mean, like up to like 13 or 14 or 13:30, it's fine, but don't put it all day, because the market should move away from the middle line. It shouldn't stay there like all day. So this is one way of